Good day, I'm Lisa Rowe and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, March 20, 2024. Newly installed Commissioner of Police, Dr. Kevin Blake, has pledged to continue the work of improving the efficiency of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and win the hearts and minds of Jamaicans. Dr. Blake says the force will not fail in its duty to serve and protect the lawful majority.
We know that there are far more lawful and law-abiding people in Jamaica than the lawless and criminal among us. Make no mistake, we will isolate these criminals. We will disrupt criminal gangs. We will pursue, capture, and build airtight cases for the conviction of the producers, the facilitators, and the sympathizers of crimes, whose only interest and desire is to cause hurt, mayhem, and destruction. These people do not deserve the shelter and protection of law-abiding citizens.
Commissioner Blake asserts that it will take collective effort to protect our nation home against all threats, both external and internal.
The buck stops with us. Yet, we welcome sincere partnerships, and we respect that we all have a role to play, government, non-government, and individuals alike. Community engagement will remain paramount to the planning and decision-making. In all our police divisions, a key priority is to maintain open lines of communication and cooperation with the people.
Road, water, and sewerage improvement works will be undertaken in sections of the corporate area at a cost of $1.24 billion. The contract to undertake this was approved by Cabinet for the Monroe-Wellington Road Water and Sewerage Project. This covers sections of Old Hope Road, Retreat, and Seymour Avenues and will be carried out by Bacchus Engineering Works Limited. Minister with responsibility for information, Robert Morgan, provided details at the last post-Cabinet press briefing. He also gave updates for other projects.
There was also the approval of a contract for supply delivery testing, training, and commissioning of one freestanding motor control center for the National Water Commission, Old Pepper Relief Station in St. Elizabeth. This was to the tune of $503 million, excluding general consumption tax and the cost of insurance, freight, and shipping. This was awarded to WDC Puerto Rico Incorporated.
In addition, Synergy Engineering Limited will be charged with executing a $419 million contract to provide electrical upgrades at the Anotobe Hospital for a period of 10 months.
Cabinet approved contracts of $70 million to Keani Construction Limited for the renovation of the Mandeville and Santa Cruz post offices. And also, there was the same contractor was awarded $211 million for the renovation of the Black River, Mapen, Falmouth, St. Anne's Bay, and Ocho Rios post offices. The contract for waterproofing of the roof of the Jamaica Conference Center in Kingston was also approved by Cabinet in the amount of $121 million to Afrashore Structure and Roofing Limited.
The health sector continues to benefit from the kind support of donors who are helping to improve the quality of care provided to patients. Earlier this month, the Mapen Hospital received much-needed medical and other supplies to the tune of $1.4 million. The gifts were mobilized by a philanthropist and medical doctor at the hospital, Dr. Ivana Thomas. The items were provided by Advent Health with the support of Andrews Memorial Hospital and Biomedical Labs. The donation will assist the Clarendon-based facility in its pursuit of becoming a center of excellence. More schools continue to benefit from the Ministry of Health and Wellness's #DoYourShare mental wellness campaign. Students and the staff of the Immaculate Conception High in St. Andrew are the latest beneficiaries of the Wellness Check-in intervention done in collaboration with the Ministry of Education and Youth.
You need to find a safe person. Because when we get confused, uncertain, not sure, which is okay, find someone who you can just pour out your heart to. And they won't judge you, they won't condemn you, they will listen to you. Please, find that safe person. When you put all of that together, which is what the wellness bench is saying, it really is about how you manage sadness and convert sadness to happiness and contentment. It's about stress, whether it's exams, peer pressure, bullying, aspirational thoughts.
Wellness benches were also installed at the Montego Bay High School and Crystal House in Spanish Town as safe spaces to promote mental wellness and coping skills for stress. The hashtag Do Your Share campaign prioritizes the creation of safe spaces for young people who may be struggling with mental health challenges and provides them with a toolkit of information that covers spiritual, physical, social, and mental health. These are carried out in accordance with the curriculum of the school mental health literacy program. For more support on mental health, call toll-free at 888-SAFE-SPOT. That's 888-723-3776. You may also text support to the You Matter chat line at 838-4897. There is also the Mental Health and Suicide Prevention Helpline, 888-NEW-LIFE or 888-639-5433. And finally, 100 technology-based startup entrepreneurs are set to benefit from a partnership between the Amber Group and the University of Technology UTech. Both entities signed a Memorandum of Understanding recently for the rollout of the Amber UTech Launchpad. It's an incubator system that will offer services such as financing, training, mentorship, sales and marketing, administration, and access to software, as well as other resources for 1,000 days. While endorsing the partnership to nurture the growth of small businesses, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says entrepreneurship drives innovation and is essential to economic growth.
This is such an important part of increasing not just productivity, but just increasing our general output. We need new businesses in our economy.
Meanwhile, the two major partners outlined the importance of the partnership.
So this program is going to offer an awesome opportunity like no other to ignite tech-focused business ideas that are relevant to Jamaica's development agenda and is well poised to add significant value by creating jobs and ultimately stimulating economic growth.
What do we provide to the founders? One, we provide a whole end-to-end development of their product. You will never have to go beg for money to finish your product and roll it out into the market, ever.
The application period is now open and persons can apply online via myambergroup.com. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lisa Rowe. Thanks for watching.